In this video, you'll learn how to set a reminder in Microsoft. To do so, you never miss an important task again. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few tips along the way to make sure your reminders work exactly the way you want them to. First, open Microsoft To Do and find the task you want to be reminded about. This could be something like paying a bill, calling someone back, or finishing a work assignment. Take a moment to make sure the task name is clear and specific, because a good reminder starts with a clear task. When you see the task in your list, click or tap on it once. This will open the detail view for that task. On desktop, the details for that task will appear in a panel on the right side of the screen. On mobile, the task details will usually take up the full screen, so you can focus just on that one item. Inside this detail panel, look for the option labeled Remind Me. It's typically shown as a button or a link you can select. Go ahead and click or tap on Remind Me to open the reminder options. Once you've opened the reminder options, you'll see a few preset choices. These usually include options like later today, tomorrow, and next week. These are designed to be quick shortcuts so you can set a reminder with just one tap or click. For example, if you know you want to think about this task before the end of the day, choose later today. If it can wait, but you don't want to forget it tomorrow morning, pick tomorrow. And if it's something you only need to deal with in the following week, choose next week. If one of those preset times works for you, simply select it and your reminder will be set. Microsoft To Do will then notify you at that time using your device's notification system. This is usually enough for simple tasks or when you just need a general nudge. However, sometimes you need your reminder at a very specific moment. Maybe you want it right before a meeting or at a particular time of day when you know you'll be free. In that case, instead of choosing one of the presets, select the option that says pick a date and time. This will open a calendar and time picker. Use the calendar to choose the exact date you want. Then set the time as precisely as you need, down to the minute. This gives you full control, so your reminder arrives when it's most useful to you, not just sometime today or tomorrow. Once you've picked your exact date and time, confirm your choice. The reminder will now be attached to that task. After setting the reminder, it's a good idea to glance back at the task details and double check that the reminder is showing the correct date and time. If something doesn't look right, you can always click Remind Me again and adjust it. That's all you need to do to set a reminder in Microsoft To Do. By selecting your task, opening the detail panel, clicking Remind Me, and either using a preset or choosing a specific date and time, you can make sure your important tasks pop up exactly when you need to see them.